Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Drive using advanced protection and 2FA, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Log in with your Google account credentials. If you have not set up advanced protection, go to the Advanced Protection Program website. Follow the instructions to enroll in the program to enhance your account security. Once enrolled, return to Google Drive. Access your account settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Manage your Google account. In the left pane, click on Security. Scroll down to find the click on two-step verification to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. Afterward, click Get Started. Choose your preferred second step for verification. You can opt for a text message or phone call. Alternatively, select the Google Authenticator app for code generation. If choosing the app, download and install it on your smartphone. Open the Google Authenticator app and click on the plus sign to add an account. Select Scan a QR code, then point your camera to the QR code displayed on your computer. This will link your account to the app. Once linked, the app will generate a verification code. Enter this code into the Google Drive setup prompt. Click Verify to confirm the code. Now, you will see options for backup methods. Set up backup options like backup codes for additional security. Click Done to complete the two-step verification setup. Return to your Google Drive. You should see a notification confirming that two-step verification is active. Test the setup by logging out and logging back in. You will need to enter your password followed by a code from your selected verification method. If you receive the code successfully and access your account, the setup is successful. You are now authenticated with Google Drive using advanced protection and 2FA. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.